My name is Jose Rivas. I work for PERC Water, and I am a maintenance technician. Coming into the water industry, I was a little reluctant being 40 years old, but seeing the opportunities to actually grow in an industry that I like was very exciting for me. I did not have that kind of opportunity where I was coming from, and being here in not only in the water industry, but with PERC Water, continuing my education for the CWEA, getting my grade 1, continuing to my grade 2, 3, and then there's other courses, other parts that I can go into. I don't have to just stay a mechanic either. I can stay into PERC Water and I can go into a different part of it. That's the beauty of the water industry, and that's what I love about it. Maintenance technician, we make sure the plant is running. We do prevent maintenance. We make sure that all the oil changes and all the belts and all the pipe and all the fittings and pumps that we have for the plants are running. And we keep them on a schedule to make sure that they keep running. It's exciting because you never know what you're gonna do, and I love to fix different things. So patience, communications, and listening are the greatest skills, I think, for this job. If you're willing to change your views on how you want to do something for the better of everybody, that makes a real big difference in this kind of field and in this job. I think the thing I love most about my job is knowing that there is a difference that I'm making. My name is Jose, and I'm behind every drop.